Have you ever dreamed of escaping the hustle and bustle of city life, breathing in crisp, fresh air, and surrounding yourself with stunning natural beauty, all just a short trip away? Imagine finding that perfect blend of adventure and tranquility without needing to be an expert explorer. Starting your hiking journey in the beautiful Catskill Mountains is incredibly accessible and rewarding, and it begins with simple preparation, choosing the right trail for your skill level, and packing smart for a safe and enjoyable experience. The Catskills offer a vast network of trails ranging from gentle strolls to challenging climbs, which is why understanding your own fitness level and the trail's characteristics is essential. This region is known for its dramatic elevation changes and often rugged terrain, so a little planning ensures you pick a route that matches your comfort and ability, preventing unexpected difficulties and maximizing your enjoyment. To begin, research trails suitable for beginners. Look for paths with minimal elevation gain and shorter distances, perhaps 1 to 3 miles. Websites like the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation and apps such as AllTrails are excellent resources, providing details on trail length, difficulty, and recent conditions. Next, gather your essential gear. Always carry plenty of water, some high-energy snacks, a basic first aid kit, and a physical map or a fully charged phone with downloaded maps, as cell service can be spotty. Dress in layers, even on warm days, and wear sturdy, closed-toe shoes or hiking boots to protect your feet. Before heading out, tell someone your hiking plan, including your route and estimated return time. Stick to marked trails at all times, following the colored blazes on trees, which are the signs that guide you. It is also important to check the weather forecast right before you leave and be prepared for sudden changes. Remember to leave no trace by packing out everything you pack in, helping preserve the natural beauty for everyone. A wonderful insider tip for the Catskills is to understand the concept of the Catskill Park, a unique region managed for both wild forest and wilderness areas. This means many trails are intentionally rustic and less developed than those in some other park systems, offering a true immersion in nature. The clearly marked trail blazes, color-coded 4 different paths, are your best friends in this vast and beautiful landscape, providing clear guidance even when the path ahead seems less defined. By following these straightforward steps, you will confidently embark on your Catskills hiking adventures, ensuring each outing is filled with discovery and fresh air. Thoughtful preparation turns every trail into an opportunity to connect with nature, offering a peaceful escape and creating lasting memories in one of New York State's most spectacular natural treasures.